Why? What did he say wrong? What did he say wrong?
Totally economical.
Sorry?
Suyash was totally economical. Only the last few
Did
overs.
you hear what I said?
Yes, you said
What
why
did I
did you said why did he play Suyash?
Did I say that?
Yes, did he say that?
I never said why did we play Suyash.
No.
You didn't hear
I'm
me.
answering his question.
You didn't hear me.
Let's take the bus from the Chinnaswamy. Let's get comfy. Right now, doing a bus live. Where did we lose that match?
Where did we lose the match? Sure, bro. If it wasn't for the rain, yeah, easy 240 today.
It's never the fault of the RCB team. It's always random other stuff.
So tell me something. Was it the toss or the rain or the batting?
It was actually the toss. Like in Chinnaswamy, you have to win the toss. It's really important. You win the toss, you win the match.
But of course, there are things beyond the toss as well, which we could have done better.
What was par? What do you think could have been achieved on that wicket? Was it a 120 wicket?
120 to 140.
Yeah.
At least in 14 overs, if 140 or 150 runs could have been over the board, right, it would be a tough match for Punjab.
It's okay, maybe it was the rain and we didn't get much overs as well. There was only 14 overs match.
I was there half a match. Okay. So I understand that Virat Kohli played well. So yeah, that's whatever. So I did not had fun.
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
They didn't take more wickets. I think it was bad. They should have taken more wickets.
How important was the toss?
It was very important. I think we're good at chasing. So I think if we would have batted, second, we would have won.
Yeah, I think we should have bowled first only because it was difficult to chase at this time.
You got the 2 points.
Yes, crucial 2 points for us.
What was the deciding part of the game?
I think we bowled really well in the first innings. The toss was a crucial part. Played a very good role.
What was the craziest part of the match today, guys?
Our bowling attack surprisingly because we did not expect to get this many wickets. Yeah, it was quite thrilling actually. It was not as boring as we comprehended it to be.
I think the shot selection could have been a lot better, right? I think that cost us the game.
And do you think the toss had a big factor in it?
It's not under control, right? I mean, the toss, it's not under control. So yeah.
The batting expected to hit at least a 120, 140 plus score, meaning to get a good target on the board. Punjab was also there. Their bowling was not that exceptional. It was just like silly. At least 5 catches were taken. Why is that 5 catches necessary?
Is it becoming a tradition for every IPL away team to beat them at Chinnaswamy?
Kind of, actually. To be honest, every team comes and beats them. And to be honest, the team is much better than the other teams. But there's some time of curse there.
Well done.
RCB the Kappu.
तूने क्या मिक्स किया है पांडुरंग?
Very impressed with the bowling. We could have put a little more runs on the board than we would have won.
It was just a sad start, that shattered the confidence of the entire team. So we could actually see it coming.
Got 2 park in your t-shirt but no 2 points.
I don't have an answer. That's a fucking dumb question.
Really?
That is a dumb question.
But you actually have 2 park and no
Am
2
I
points.
playing there?
Yeah, but what do you have to say about RCB?
What do I have to say? RCB,
You
I've
think-
been supporting from 18 years. I'll support
So
for
you're,
the next 18
so you're
years.
telling me it's a toss.
I'm not telling anything.
So why did we lose today?
I'm not telling anything.
if-
यार तेरे में इतना गुस्सा क्यों है?
कहाँ गुस्सा हो रहा हूँ?
देख, ये बोलने में भी गुस्सा हो रहा है.
But this time, I think bowling wise, Punjab has a very overall Punjab has a very balanced side. Quite a balanced team. Like till late, you have good players who can bat.
Always the toss, isn't it? And it's especially more important now that there's been a bit of rain. There'll be more moisture. There'll be a bit of sweating under the covers.
Did you see one shot by Ajit Paridar? It didn't even cross the boundary. So it's a wet outfield. The ball's not rolling. Not trying to defend, but just let be practical. For the minute they won when Punjab won the toss, they won the game.
And you're wearing an RCB jersey.
Yeah, for Punjab. I was supporting Punjab. He is RCB fan.
So why are you wearing an RCB jersey supporting Punjab?
Yeah, he's supporting me.
क्या problem है gentleman का? I think 120 would have been a good score because look, the match still went down until the penultimate over, didn't it? And all we're asking for is a little bit more from the top order because the middle order has honestly been doing its job for the last 3 games.
They say normally home sweet home, but this is home bitter home.
No, but yeah, this happens. This is cricket.
But we are hopeful that the 18th cup and this the number 18, it's gonna be lucky for us, and we'll hopefully win the next match.
In the media. And when it rained, what did you guys do in the stadium?
We are cheering full RCB,
Yeah.
that's it, yeah. Grind and go away, RCB.
What is your message towards RCB fans right now watching this?
RCB fans, you don't be down. You are still in the game. We both can achieve something this year. Hopefully, we will take the cup, but you can come second.
For some reason, every batsman that sees Suyash Sharma bowling that last over automatically goes into that mindset of that dude in Chennai. Kya madam, aane ka, marne ka, jaane ka. Kya madam, aane ka, marne ka, jaane ka.
And who's your man of the match?
Tim David, no shit.
Josh Hazlewood.
You stopped, right?
Yeah, he stopped.
Tim David.
From an RCB perspective.
For us, it's got to be Tim David.
Entire RCB.
Tell everyone to subscribe to cricket.com.
Please subscribe to cricket.com.
Well done.
For more such videos, check out our cricket.com YouTube page.